Hi there! Have you ever been wondering what to buy while at the supermarket, but had no idea what you already had in your fridge? Well, choose Accio. Accio is a connected boxes system which helps you organize fresh goods in your fridge and keep track of them at all time. Each box comes with an integrated camera which allows the recognition of every fruit or vegetable you want to store in your fridge. Accio also comes as an Android application which allows you to see your fridge content in real time, get recipes based on it, and keep your favorites at hand. We also focused on reducing waste by up to 30% by helping you place your boxes at the right space in terms of temperature and best conservation conditions. Accio keeps track of the day you put fruit or vegetable in the fridge and reminds you to eat it before it's too late. You can select your favorites and thus be reminded whenever there's no more of your favorite fruit in the box. On a more technical note, when a photo is taken, we extract the main color components such as hue, lightness and saturation. Then, we use the AdaBoost algorithm by comparing our HLS components to our training base to determine the fruit or vegetable that is put in the box. A barcode scanner is also integrated, and following a recognition thanks to Outpen database, the produce is added to the local database. Whenever you wonder about what you could eat easily, Accio comes in handy. It helps you by searching recipes on Marmiton based on what's in your fridge and showing them on your phone. Each local database is synced with our global one, making the AdaBoost training base always bigger and our system always smarter. PHP scripts are the junction between HTTP requests from the application and SQL requests to the database for a better scalability and even more security. Thanks for watching and don't forget to follow us on Twitter.